amabhokobhoko they can land like or Tambo and flatten ithembisa bahambe boy parade elsewhere then ngitshela ukuthi jasivalele angibonisa example lesimple.
That's crazy.
And Soweto, you cannot separate the struggles of Tembisans and Sowetans.
So and ngapha the band is also cause
ngapha ithekeni yakho uyibali.
No, here we talking band.
Yeah. Are we making it personal?
No, I'm not taking it like personal.
Yeah.
I'm saying
The most highest rated drama you'll find out ukuthi umuntu ola ithembisa. Mawuthi check ukuthi ubani odlalela hot sticks mabuse uthola ukuthi drama lala ithembisa yabona. Mawuthi check ukuthi ubani ingoma yepiano eshayayo manje uthola ukuthi intwana la ithembisa but thina still as 1632 we know the politics. We must not run away from that. It's a sin. We in the game.
Okay.
You know, kusasa elinye artist libona ngazuthi likhumulume kabi lithwe no Payitile or something.
Like I said,
and we in the podcast ufuna ukushayina ngayo. Finish page and listen to that song and listen to when it was captured. Then it will tell you ukuthi ingakanani le ngoma.
Who we are and how strong we are. Because of ngiyakwazi ukutshela ukuthi baba udlalela idoti manje uyabona into manje uyabona kuhambani manje uyabona yini ngathi awujimanga
yini uzazi ndaba zakho
ulalizolo uyanganderstand
ngiyakufila
so we go through that shit singamajensi and siyaqinisa.
You know, Tim, this song is older than that song. Ngithola ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani but I cannot claim that. Ngithola bro. That's why ngithi people about around 1998 and stuff. Like history you know ngiyakhula.
Oliver Tambo.
Mina straight to the point.